Ideas are born here. They're in the hallways, the offices, the classrooms. Ideas are found in the common and uncommon spaces, the boundaries where there is room to imagine, create, iterate, and grow. Being an educator means staying connected to your work, to your students, and to the futures being built inside each and every classroom. Connect to a community that is rich in content, with access to tools that are as easy to set up as they are to use. Learning becomes immersive through both sight and touch, transforming the students of today into the innovators of tomorrow. At Makerbot, we're always with you. The thousands of students, educators, and makers all carving out the careers of the future. The committed, uncompromising spirits that change lives and drive innovation. And with over 300,000 hours of testing behind us, this means you can simply count on it to work. Together, we can continue to build a better way. Makerbot, ideas in the making.